Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and today we're going to bring a label maker. Not just any label maker. So if you work in the IT industry or any kind of industry that you're going to need to label cables, this might be the right tool for you. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. It's called P-Touch Edge. It's an industrial label tool. So and then they have perfect examples right here. It says, and right in the front, it says cabling, wire, fiber, faceplates, load centers, security services, systems, I'm sorry, and audio visual devices. So I actually need one because the last one is a little bit bulkier and old and outdated. So it's time to upgrade. That's what we are. So let's go ahead and open it up. And a lot of features here. They give you a lot of features off the bat. I like that it comes with a little case, but this is overkill, to be honest with you. It's just, I like that the brother P-Touch Edge. We're going to take a look at it, open it up, see what you get inside. And there you go. You get a label machine. Take this out of there. Then they give you one cartridge. So you could buy extra ones. They give you one cartridge for labels. I'm going to take that aside, and then the instructions, of course, and they give you the ribbon to hang it on, so if you want to hang it on. So let's go ahead and open it up. Casing sucks. Don't like the casing. I wish it was a little smaller, easier to compact carry around, but they give you that bulky, ugly thing that it takes a lot of space. So in order to open it, there's an opening here on the top. You slide it back, it pops out. Facing first this way, entry, down, push down. I know I have to tell you guys because there's actually a spring blocking it, so you're not gonna know if you don't know. So it takes six batteries, three on the top, three on the bottom. Now we're gonna go ahead and open this up. Label machine. Sometimes you have to remove certain things on it, but this one looks like it's ready to go. It's white and black, so that's pretty much it. You just pretty much slide it in there. Cartridge does the rest. And it's ready to go. So we're gonna close it up. Oops, I actually closed it wrong. So we have to go through the back. Slides in. White. You can change colors to it, multiple colors. They do sell it everywhere. Power it on, and it turns on. So we're gonna do a label called upgrade. So we're gonna do shift. So there's a couple things. Shift. Oh, go back. It was already in shift probably. Yeah. Oh, here it goes. No, I can't even tell if it's capital or not. So, but if you hit the plus, the little arrow pointing up, so we're gonna put upgrade, and then it goes away. No, look at that. That's incredible. So, P, we're gonna do U, and then we lower it down to lowercase. Upgrade, and then we print. So right now we could change the text here, cable wrap, or faceplate, or you could do different sizes on it. But right now we're just gonna print whatever it has. So we're gonna go ahead and print. It's printing. I misspelled it. Go back in there, cut it. We're gonna type it in again. I hit another button. It's hard to type in. It's really difficult to type in. This is kind of like waterproof face, but it's not. Big fat fingers will type in two of them. You're gonna make maybe similar mistakes as I did. I'm gonna try to print it out again. And you hit this one. And then they have preview. I don't know what preview is. So preview. Oh, it just shows you how the label is gonna look in preview. So it's not that bad. I mean, it's one of those things that you could change the size on it. I'm gonna clear it out. So get out of preview, escape. You have to escape here, clear out, text format. We could change the different formats and stuff like that. But I like this part right here. So we're gonna do cable wrapping. We're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna do a test. Oh, we're gonna go ahead and clear, escape, and we're gonna delete this one. I want to put Frank. See, look at it. I'm trying to hit the. I can't even spell Frank in here. It's a little difficult. You have to keep an eye on it. Space. The. Tank. So I'm gonna do it for a cable. Let me see, just for a cable wrap. All right, and then it's gonna resize it. It tells you 3 inches, 0.3 inches. The thickness. You could change this. But today I'm not going to change anything out of the measurements right now, so we're just going to go ahead and print. Oh, you hit enter on this one, so hit OK, and then print. Text limit. Okay, text limit. You got a text limit, so it tells you it's going to overwrap. So want to go back? We're going to just put hit OK. We're going to delete. So you'll have no spacing, maybe no spacing. The tank. Try without spacing. So we're going to do a cable wrap. General. Hit OK. And print. So you have to limit, it limits your spaces on everything. So here it is. You get this one. You could wrap it up in your cable. And you'll be able to see it there. Line it up. So if you guys can see it, it's not that bad. Misspell this one. This one's the correct one. So you got to be careful because it's fat fingers. You can have issues with it. That's one thing I don't like about this label maker. It's much harder here. It's a little bit more difficult. It has a lot of different signs here if you ever need them. Face plates, I like that. I like the cable flags. If you want to leave them loose, cable wraps. You want to wrap them around. Text, you can change the text measurements and sizes, and also the format of the text. Different calligraphies that it has too. So you could do all sorts of things. You could even preview. Like I said, you could preview it. It gives you a preview in there. Escape and delete. Backspace everything, and it tells you how many characters it needs. So when you do cable, it tells you right there how many, what's the measurement on it. So we're gonna hit escape. We're not gonna even do that. Sizing, it has faceplate on the front, how much size you're gonna do, the cable size, different formats. So it's not that bad. I like it. It's just I wish these were a little bit more separate. They should have concentrated, instead of the box, they should have concentrated more on the keyboard. But it's called Brother P-Touch Edge. So if you have any questions or any comments, let me know. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and we're out.